Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to get a backup of Tally Prime. First, open Tally Prime and navigate to the Data menu. Select Backup from the options presented. Choose the company or companies you wish to back up. Specify the destination path where you want to save your backup files. Confirm your selection to initiate the backup process. This simple routine safeguards your valuable financial information against unforeseen issues. To perform a manual backup, start by opening Tally Prime. From the gateway of Tally, press Alt+Y or click on Data in the top menu bar, then select Backup. A list of companies will appear. Choose the ones you need to back up. Next, specify the destination path where the backup will be saved. It's wise to use an external drive or cloud storage for this. Finally, accept to complete the backup. Restoring your Tally Prime data is just as straightforward. Go to the Data menu again, but this time select Restore. You'll need to specify the source path where your backup files are located. Then, choose the destination path where you want the data to be restored within Tally Prime. Select the company or companies from the backup list. Confirm your choices, and Tally Prime will restore your valuable information, getting you back on track quickly. For optimal data security, always back up your Tally Prime data regularly. Consider daily backups if your business transactions are high volume or weekly for less frequent activity. It's also crucial to store your backups in at least 2 different locations, like an external hard drive and a cloud service, for maximum safety. This redundancy protects against various data loss scenarios. Also, remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home or office setup.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.